is Jarm. My user ID is 712271, and I'm so excited to share a little bit about myself today. I'm proudly from Monte Vista, Davao de Oro, a place full of kind hearts and beautiful smiles. Ever since gamay pa ko, dream na jud na ako to become a nurse. Pero wa man naton achieve na nga dream. Pero ang passion na jud gihapon. To love, support, and connection with people around me. I'm blessed with a wonderful family. We're a big one. All in all, we are 10. I have an extended family, and I'm also proud mom of two amazing children who inspires me every day. Our home is always filled with laughter, stories, and love. Kahit maingay minsan, masaya pa rin. When it comes to my favorites, coffee is life good na. And when it comes to food, bisag unsa basta kay makaon. Hobby and favorite things. Syempre, singing yun na. Bisang pag di kay tagwapog tingog basta kay makanta gyud ta diha say. To my amazing team, thank you for being part of my journey. Let's keep supporting, inspiring, and lifting each other up. Together, we're not just teammates, we're family. Once a warrior, always a warrior. Once again, this is Jarm, user 712271, your proud warrior from Monte Vista, Davao de Oro. Keep fighting, keep shining, because warriors never give up. Thank you for watching.